In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size on Squarespace 2023. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Squarespace to adjust your heading and paragraph sizes so your site looks clean, consistent, and easy to read. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor. From the left sidebar, open Pages, and choose the page you want to use as your live preview. Click Edit so you can see changes update in real time while you work. It helps to click into a text block on the page and highlight some text so you can immediately see how headings and paragraphs respond as you tweak sizes. Next, open your design controls. Go to Site Styles, then Fonts, and choose All Font Packs. This is where Squarespace groups your typography settings in one place. Inside the font pack, you'll see sections for heading and for paragraph styles. Click Heading to begin. You'll have multiple heading levels, typically H1 through H6, or labeled simply as heading styles. Click into each heading option and adjust the size control to set a clear hierarchy. A good rule of thumb is to make H1 the largest, then step down gradually for H2, H3, and so on, so your page structure is obvious at a glance. As you adjust each one, keep an eye on the editor preview. You opened earlier to confirm the scale looks balanced with your actual content. Now switch to your body text. Click the paragraph style, often displayed as "This is your paragraph." Increase or decrease the size until it's comfortable to read. Most sites feel best when body text isn't too small, so aim for something that feels natural on desktop without looking oversized in longer sections. If you see additional paragraph variants, like small or large paragraph styles, open those and align them with your preferred scale, so everything feels intentional. As you fine-tune headings and paragraphs, check that line breaks and spacing still look clean. You want enough contrast between headings and body text to guide readers, but not so much that the page feels disjointed. Also consider how these sizes will feel on smaller screens. Keeping your scale moderate usually translates better across devices. When you're happy with the preview, return to the top of the editor and click Save. Your changes apply site-wide, so your headings and paragraph text will stay consistent across pages. That's it. You've adjusted your font sizes using Squarespace's built-in fonts and font pack controls, created a clear hierarchy with your headings, and ensured your paragraph text is readable.